Bitcoin money really has a medium-term opposition at $119.28 in a sort of enormous manner, or so they generally thought. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $235.83 in a very especially large manner, which is very huge. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, so BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, which all things considered, truly is very critical. The kind of truly current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money certainly especially is at $260,151,096, exhibiting that BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $235.83 in a sort of quite large manner, or so they explicitly thought. 06 January 2024, in this article we will basically truly walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for entirely 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense, especially clarified some pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is certainly extremely transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money. By and large is BCH a kind of fundamentally wise venture, which basically generally is very huge, or so they thought. Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so forth, which in a real sense really is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping exceptionally in every practical sense, profound into the BCH specialized examination, all things considered, by and large let us for the most part, discuss the for the most part current economic situations in a genuinely significant manner. Market examination over the very essentially last 24 hours, there quite was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,643,998,096,525 in an unobtrusive manner, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The really complete exchanging volume most certainly basically remains at $58,832,899,756 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part basically has a strength of 16.33% in a very significant manner, which actually really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking incredibly. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value lessening of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner, which is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking in a significant way. Solely in every practical sense, really local coin of Solana sort of fundamentally is somewhere near 6.74, and as of now exchanging at $94.12 in an unobtrusive manner amazingly. Moreover, XRP came to 57 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.69% in esteem, actually genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. These occasions especially show that the market quite is going in a by and large descending, heading for certainly genuinely present moment, which in every practical sense, for the most part is genuinely critical. Right now, and essentially in every practical sense, genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a truly significant manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally basically are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which generally shows that Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels, and so on, which in every practical sense, in a real sense is genuinely critical. Most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers generally become sort of kind of more especially dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they sort of in every practical sense thought. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which merchants truly become most certainly dynamic and most certainly in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially shows that market examination over the fundamentally certainly last 24 hours, there quite was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the exceptionally whole digital money market to $1,643,998,096,525, which basically is very critical. Following explicitly certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The ongoing Bitcoin money cost certainly is $235.83, with an exchanging volume of $260,151,096 in the reasonably certainly beyond 24 hours. Or so they fundamentally thought. As of now, BCH really is up by 0.62% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,623,742,309 United States dollars, pretty especially further appearance how which quite brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, decently truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Examination for 06 January 2024, inside an everyday time span in a real sense, generally made sense of underneath, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of by and large, has seen a value lessening of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving certainly truly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially kind of straightforward moving in every practical sense, essentially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving kind of normal, EMA, to generally dissect the future development of the Bitcoin money. Which explicitly is very critical, which truly is genuinely huge. While BCH's Williams %R marker actually by and large is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange genuinely signal really is conceivable at this reach, so various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum for the most part has seen a value reduction of 0.5% coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, or so they certainly thought, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The essentially relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the BCH coin really is in oversold stage, as RSI generally is at 25, so as of now, BCH sort of is up by 0.62% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,623,742,309 United States dollars, further appearance how which generally for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%. Which certainly is very critical incredibly. The MACD line basically is remaining underneath of the kind of sign line after a hybrid, showing that BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA20, so BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA20, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin money financial backers need to by and large truly sit tight for any directional